In this Apple Clips tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete and duplicate clips. So as you can see here, I have two clips that are the same. So if I want to delete a clip, I just simply select it and tap the delete clip icon and then tap delete clip. And now that has been removed. Again, if I want to delete, I tap on it, hit delete, and that's all there is to it. If I want to duplicate a clip, I just simply tap on duplicate. So now I have the ability to change this clip. I can add different effects to this clip, and I can do so very quickly just by duplicating something. Very quick and easy to delete and duplicate clips. It'll be very simple for you and your students, and I hope you continue to get creative with Apple Clips. Thanks so much for watching.